Permanent marker usually means permanent damage. But ordinary toothpaste can make it disappear in seconds. Most travelers keep emergency cash in their wallet, but smart travelers hide it where no thief would ever think to look. Simple, clever, and it could save your entire trip. This rusty tool looks completely ruined, but watch what happens after one simple trick. Sometimes the cheapest solution is already sitting in your refrigerator. Forgot your can opener? A simple metal spoon can save your meal. Rub the spoon firmly along the rim until the metal wears thin, then press through and work around the edge. It takes a little patience, but it works when you have no other option. This looks like an ordinary book. But inside, it's the perfect hidden charging station. Tired of holding your phone? One empty bottle solves the problem for free. If your sink smells unpleasant, lemon ice cubes freshen and clean at the same time. Messy cables waste more time than you realize. One tiny office supply creates instant organization. Leaving your valuables on the beach is always risky. Sometimes the best hiding place is the simplest one.